how to hide repost on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you whether you can hide repost on Instagram and what you can do instead to manage your reposted reels and post. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now from here, you can just tap on the repost tab. And now here in this section, you may see all the posts and reels that you have reposted. So with that, currently Instagram does not have an option to hide repost from your profile without removing them. So here, if you don't want other people to see your repost, the only option is to remove the repost or to make your account private. So here, if you want to remove the repost, you can simply go to the reels that you want to remove, and here once you're inside the reel, you can just tap on the repost button once again, and once you do it, the repost will be removed. And here with that, if you want to make your account private, then you can just go back to your profile, and from there you can just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now from here you can simply scroll down and tap on account privacy. And now here in this section you can simply toggle on this option, and once you do that, your account will be private and others can't see your reposted reels and post. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.